Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create a form on Google Forms. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create a form on Google Forms. It is because you want to do a market survey, or maybe you want to create a paper for your students, or maybe there's any other kind of survey, or maybe you want to ask for people opinion, or maybe you just want to fill out forms, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Simply open any browser of your choice. Right now I'm opening Google Chrome, but you can use anyone. After that, on the search bar you have to search for Google Forms, and then this will open, and from there you have to open this first link which says www.google.forms.com. Once you reach on Google Forms website, you will see two options. You can choose any one of these options. It doesn't matter, both options will work. Once you click on it, and it will take you to a page where you could easily create your forms. First, you can name your forms. You can name anything like survey, interview, exam, whatever comes to your mind. After that, you can do some basic styling, like you can change the color, you can apply different kinds of font to the question, to the heading, and to the answer. You can choose any one of these according to whatever you like. And after that, once you're done on it, what you could do is you can also change some color styling and then click on save, and the form will appear according to it. So here you could see this first option. Through this option you can choose what kind of question you want to create, like multiple question, you want to create a checkbox, you want to create a long question, you want to let people upload picture. You can choose any of these options. After that, you have to type a question that you want to ask to people, like their name, their age, or any kind of question. You can also add a picture and can do some basic editing if you want that. And if you want to add another question, you have to click on this plus icon, and the next question will be added. Again, you can choose what kind of question you want to create, multiple choice question, long question, or whatever comes to your mind. After that, you have to type the question that you want to ask to people, and then you can do some basic editings like bold, italic, underline, and other stuff. After that, what you could do is you have to just simply save it. So to save it, you have to click on this icon and it will be saved to your drive. So now you can access that whenever you want to do. Once you click on it, you can also see what you have created and how it looks. And if you just want to share it, you can also share it by its link. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to simply get back to this page, and there you could see we have this option. Through this option, first you could send this to someone through mail. After that, if you click on these three dots and this option, this link option, if you click on it, it will copy a link for you, and then you can send this copy link to anybody and they will fill this form for you. So that's how you can create a form on the Google Forms and can send it to someone to complete the form. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create a form on Google Forms. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.